Welcome back, I am Heikki and today I'm going to show you the power upgrade kit for the KTM 125 and the Husqvarna 125. The cylinder head has a special insert. It's not the one we regularly sell because this is made for the standard flat top piston. This one is made for a special piston with a 12-degree angle on the side. This piston you can only use with a custom-made insert that matches the piston. Together it will have the best performance. Also, if you want to have more mid-range and top power, it's highly recommended to use the high inertia crankshaft. This one has more inertia, which means more weight, and it will push the bike much better from mid to top. Also, very good to use is the ATS exhaust pipe and the silencer. The silencer we have in 3 different colors. You can choose aluminium color, blue and orange. Thanks for watching and see you next time.